Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It, Do It. Today I'm going to show you another dart manipulation design. I made this dress. One is upcycling, you can see it, and the other one is normal fabric. And how you look backside. Also backside. So let's start now. So I draw already my basic pattern with 2 darts, shoulder dart and 1 waist dart. How you look? This is your new neckline like bustier, and you make 13 centimeters down, 5 inches, 13 centimeter down, and 1 centimeter down from this side. From these 2 lines, 1 centimeter this side, 1 centimeter this side, and make nice curved neckline. Okay, join this line to here and this one to here, and from here new neckline you make down 5 centimeters, 2 inches, and make nice curve to here. You must, this part you don't need, this part, and from here that point you mark your under bust length. I have 3.5 inches, it means 9 centimeters. Draw a line and 1 centimeter this side, 1 centimeter this side, and make nice and join to this and this. So I'm going to cut now. This is your under bust, waist. Here you must make mark, because this point, when you sew, this point must be together. Okay, and first you cut this line, and you cut this part first. This part first. I write here center front and this side up. Okay, and you cut now. You don't need this part, also you don't need this part. You cut okay, and this is waist. I write down here center front, under bust, waist. Okay, now you cut all this dart away. you don't need this. And okay, how you look. This part and these two together. First you join these together and later these together. Okay, and take your back side. Also you make 1 centimeter down and hold like this. Make a nice if you want to make straight, you can make straight. If you want to make little bit curve, make it curve. And you make this part straight. Center, back, back 1, back 2, this is up, waist, side seam. Now you cut. Here 2 centimeters. This is for zip. So this is your all pattern piece. That's it. I hope you enjoy, and if you are satisfied, please subscribe to my channel. Learn it, do it. Until next time, stay happy and safe. Thank you for watching. I'm Sandhya.